Hey guys, welcome to session 6 of Linux System Administration Intermediate Level. As always, I'm your instructor Kevin Downs, and this is a course by coding-bootcamps.com. Today, we're going to be talking about LAMP. So we're going to be going over LAMP server basics. Last session, we went over networking services overview, network manager introduction, network configuration files, locations, and formats, enabling and restarting network services with systemctl, configuring basic network manually, and configuring basic networking with Network Manager. Today, we're going to be going over LAMP overview, configuring the Apache web server, common directives, Apache virtual hosting, configuring an open source database such as MySQL and MariaDB, PHP basics, and Perl CGI scripting. So let's talk about LAMP. LAMP is an archetypal model of web service stacks named as an acronym of the names of the original 4 open source components. The first being the Linux operating system, L, the Apache HTTP server, A, the MySQL relational database management system, so just M from that one, we only took M from that one, and the PHP programming language, so P, L, A, M, P, okay? The LAMP components are largely interchangeable and not limited to the original selection. As a solution stack, LAMP is suitable for building dynamic websites and web applications.